Hello, it's me, Sunumaya Pakrin. How are you, class? I hope you are fine today. Welcome in today's class. Today we are going to study about the sense organs. And in the previous class also we have learned about the sense organ, that is the eye. Now in this class we are going to learn about the ear. We know that the sense organs are the various organs that connects the human body with the external world, that it is known as the sense organ, that we have learned this definition in previous class too. Now let's study about the ear in ear. Ear is one of the important sense organ that gives the sense of hearing. You can hear the sound with the help of ear, and on the basis of hearing mechanism, ear is divided into three parts, that is the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear, the parts of the ear. Now we are going to study about the different parts of the ear. Before that, ear also helps in the balancing of the physical balance of our body, that is the semicircular canal. It is responsible to keep our body balanced. Now the different parts of the ear separately we are going to study. Now the external part, it is divided into three parts, that is the pinna, auditory canal or the ear canal, and the eardrum are the three parts of the outer ear or the external ear. Now the pinna, it is the outermost part of the ear. It is made up of cartilage, the thin muscles that is covered by the fatty tissue. It collects the sound waves and send the sound waves to the auditory canal, which reaches in the eardrum. Now the auditory canal, it is extended from pinna to the eardrum, and it is covered by the hairy skin, which consists of ceruminous and the sebaceous gland. It consists of ceruminous and the sebaceous gland. This ceruminous gland, it produces earwax, and the sebaceous gland, it produces oily material. Because of the production of this earwax and the oily material, it prevents the entrance of dust particles inside the ear and the drying of the ear. It is the function of their ceruminous gland and the earwax or the oily material. Now the inner ear. Inner ear, it is just lie in the temporal of the skull. Temporal, it is the bone that is present in both left and right side below the skull, that is called temporal. And the coil fluid filled tube called cochlea and the semicircular canals are the main parts of this inner ear. The fluid in cochlea, that is endolymph and perilymph, they carry the message, the message that is sent from by the vibration of this middle ear or the ear-ossicles. Then this message is carried by the endolymph and perilymph, that is the fluid present in the cochlea. Cochlea has many nerve cells from the brain, and these nerve cells are known as auditory nerves, and these auditory nerves receives the message from the cochlea and then sends to the brain, and we can hear the sound. So in this way we can hear the sound. And this semicircular canal, it is responsible to balance the body. It doesn't have any auditory function. That's why semicircular canal, like sometimes when we spin ourselves round and round, we feel dizzy, or everything around us are seen rotating. It is why It is because the fluid present inside these semicircular canals also rotates when we spin around, and to come to the same position again it takes some time to balance our body. That's why it takes some time to come to the same position. That's why we feel dizzy, and it seems that everything around us is rotating because of the circulation of the fluid, circulation of the fluid inside the semicircular canals, and we feel dizzy. Now the next one is the physiology of hearing, or how do we hear the sound. Once again it is to revise, that is the sound waves produced from the source are collected by pinna of the ear, and then passes inside the auditory canal or the ear canal to vibrate eardrum. Thus vibration occurs in the eardrum, which later on it vibrates. Vibration is sent to the middle ear, that is the three small tiny bones that they are also called ear ossicles, and then the vibration is sent to the cochlea through endolymph and perilymph, that the liquid present in the cochlea. Then now the impulses, this cochlea, it has many auditory nerves connected with the brain, and these nerves carry the impulses towards the center of hearing of the brain. Then we hear the sound. In this way we are able to hear the sound from the source. Now care and hygiene of ear, or how can we take care of our ear. We should not use sharp objects to remove earwax, and the cotton buds should be used properly. Like you can see this picture, it is the wrong way, it is the right way. That cotton buds can be used to clean outside the ear, not inside, because if it is put inside, sometimes it may be left inside the ear, which causes problems in our ear. And our ears should not be exposed to the very, very loud sound, because it may damage our eardrum. And if there is any problems or injuries inside the ear, then we should consult ENT specialist, that is ear, neck and tongue specialist. Now class response. Answer the following questions. Write the function of Eustachian tube. What are ear ossicles? What is their function? Chocolates are given to the air passengers in the aeroplanes. Why? We feel dizziness after spinning. Sometimes. Give reason. What are the ways of cleaning ear? Mention any 4 points. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.